As 2014 progresses, we are beginning to see hints of what the future of the smartphone market may look like next year, from transparency to holographic projection. So what are the 10 must-have smartphones coming in 2015? At 10 is the Windows 9 phone. Windows 9 will be an important step forward for Microsoft after the much-loathed Windows 8. The Windows 9 smartphone will be 64-bit only, and integration between Microsoft's mobile devices and desktops should also be a key feature. Whether or not Windows 9 will be a success, though, is yet to be seen. At 9 is the LG G Flex 2. The original G Flex smartphone had some groundbreaking features, including self-healing technology and a flexible body. However, despite this, LG is already setting a release date on the next G Flex, set to be released in the second quarter of 2015. Samsung promises to have new features, even more unique than a flexible screen. While there is no real idea of what these features will be, some sources have speculated that it could be an ultra-flexible phone capable of 90-degree bends. At 8 is the Android Silver phone. The Android Silver will be the replacement for the Nexus line of smartphones. It is set to serve as a benchmark and seal of quality for all Android phones. The first Android Silver phone is rumored to be an LG smartphone, possibly the G Flex 2, which will debut next year. At 7 is the first 4K smartphones. As the resolution of smartphones continues to improve, the improvements in both video and picture quality are becoming evident. LG is set to release the first QHD smartphone this year, which will feature a resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels. But it is very likely that the first 4K resolution phone will debut next year, as the 4K processor, called the Snapdragon 805, has already been shown to the public. At 6 is the world's first truly holographic smartphone. The technology for holographic smartphones has already been developed and shown off by a company called Ostendo, who have built a holographic projector the size of a Tic Tac, which is designed to fit into a smartphone. Amazon is rumored to be creating the first holographic phone, and the opportunities for app development and video playback with holographic technology may prove to be a huge success. At 5 is the iPhone 6. While the first model of the iPhone 6 is expected to be released this year, a second version is rumored to be 5.5 inches and will also debut in 2015. The 5.5-inch model is expected to blur the lines between tablets and smartphones, being the first Apple product to be classified as a phablet. At 4 is the Samsung Galaxy S6. The S6 is confirmed to be released in 2015, with speculated features including QHD display, bendable displays, and a 4K video camera. It will be one of the most advanced smartphones available when it is released. At 3 is the world's first transparent phone. When Polyton Technologies unveiled a transparent phone concept last year, it was speculated that a transparent phone could be released at the end of the year. While this did not happen, it is very possible that the first transparent phone could be revealed next year. While the concept seems questionable, a transparent phone that can switch between opaque and transparent would be very useful to own. At 2 is Samsung's world-first foldable phone. Foldable phone technology was shown off back in April of this year. Samsung then announced that it could sell a completely foldable phone by 2015 or 2016. A foldable phone would blur the lines on how a smartphone should look, as the shape of the phone could be continuously changed. At number 1 is Google's Project Ara modular phone. This idea behind this smartphone is to create a phone that is more like a desktop computer with removable and customizable parts. One of the many benefits that this would have is that a phone's life expectancy would increase exponentially, since any damaged piece of hardware could be easily removed, and the phone itself could be continuously upgraded, much like a desktop computer. So what smartphone are you most looking forward to next year? Leave a comment below with your thoughts.